Welcome back. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I did an LA Laker inspired cut crease eyeshadow look. Keep watching to see how it's done. What's the move? So first we're gonna build our crease color using Temptress. It's a matte black shade with a bit of glitter thrown into it, but it does go on solid black. When doing a cut crease, you always want to start dark and then go to lighter because you want your cut crease to really be seen. So I'm starting off with the black, then we're gonna work in those purples. Making sure that the height is the same on both sides because this side was a little bit higher as far as like where the shadow ended. So I'm just matching it on this side. Called This Is Not My Journey, right here. All right, we rolling right along. Next, we're gonna use Therapy Sesh. It's like a cross between a magenta and purple, in my opinion. We all see colors differently. I'm just going over with the shade a couple of times because that's what I did with the other side. It makes it more visible in this look. However many times you decide to apply the same eyeshadow color, that's all on you. I like to do mine at least twice. Now we're gonna cut our crease with some concealer. Wish me luck, y'all. You always wanna make sure that your brush is loaded with concealer. That way you get a precise line. We're gonna add this bright yellow color onto our lid for the cut crease. I'm just packing this color on because I don't want my concealer to move. So I went too far down on both sides, so I'm just cleaning up this edge a little bit. This is my second application of the purple. Ta-da! So here is our final LA Laker inspired eyeshadow look. I'm happy with how it came out. On my lips, I used Jefree Star Velour liquid lipstick. The color is Clout, real or fake? It's fake. I'm just having one of those days. Just sipping my cold coffee. I love you guys. Okay. You guys want to see my other baby? Oh, Portia's getting jealous. Say hi, Prince! Say hi! Oh, don't move my light. Stop. See what I said about barking? It's like an engine. Once you get him going, that's it. He just keeps barking. My dog just farted.